How to fix Canon Printer E59 error. Steps to fix Canon Printer E59 error. Step 1. When your Canon printer is facing the error E59, the first and foremost thing you have to do is press the stop button to stop the printing activities. Step 2. Now you need to make sure that the printer and paper settings match. To do this, open a document you want to print. Step 3. Click on File and then click Print. Step 4. In the print window, click on Printing Preferences. Step 5. In the Paper/Quality tab, click the Paper Size drop-down menu and select the paper size. Step 6. Then click on OK. Step 7. Now you need to check the paper settings of the printer. To do this, press the menu button. Step 8. Using the arrow button, navigate to page size and press OK. Step 9. Now select the paper size that matches the paper loaded in the tray. Step 10. After selecting the paper size, press OK and restart your Canon printer. Step 11. Once the printer restarts, do a print test to see if the error is resolved. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com or call us at +1 87746902997 ++4 4800 0548 150.